Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka number 39 and 40. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. The man who is full of faith, who is devoted to it, and who has subdued the senses, obtains this knowledge, and having obtained knowledge, ere long he goes to the supreme peace.
Chapter 4, Shloka 39. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam tatpara samyatendriyah jnanam labdva param shantim achirena gacchati.
The ignorant, the faithless, the doubting self goes to destruction. There is neither this world nor the other, nor happiness for the doubter.
Chapter 4, Shloka 40. Ajnasya shraddadhanasya samshayatma vinashyati nayam lokosti na paro nasukam samshayatmanah.
Chapter 4, Shloka 39 and 40. The surest means to discover peace is given in this shloka. After faith, devotion, and self-control have been fully developed, we can hope to evolve to our diviner stature. Unintelligent, blind faith and unquestioned acceptance of what divine is will not do. So, Shraddha, by which exact meaning of the scriptures and the words of the teacher is understood, must be developed. Devotion should not be limited to the puja room, but it should be a continuous remembrance of the divine nature. This is best achieved by making work as worship, by being aware of what you are doing. No development will sustain without the control over the senses, as they seduce away our mind into excessive self-sense indulgence, which is harmful for progress in the path divine. For then the mind is not available to seek the higher. Only with Shraddha, devotion, and self-control can the knowledge divine be acquired to culminate in due time in great peace, which is absolute joy. Shloka 40. Lord Krishna warns, saying that don't doubt what I say, as it is sinful. They who do not cultivate Shraddha, devotion, and self-control will get themselves ultimately destroyed and completely ruined. They have neither the knowledge of the self nor a readiness to know the true meaning of the spiritual declarations and the words of the masters. Because they doubt the self, they will not find any happiness anywhere in this world or any other world. A doubting Thomas is physiologically incapable of enjoying any situation. He is also psychologically incapable of enjoying any situation. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.